I just got home to my Airbnb and realized that they had closed the air vents in the bedroom for some reason. I don't know why. And I had a guest contact us and complain that it was getting hot, and that's probably the reason why. It smells kind of like smoke, like weed, actually. And so I'm going to go ahead and charge this guest for that because that's not okay. Another thing is that the dryer, Jesus Christ, that's disgusting. Like, really? Don't ruin my dryer. It's annoying. But one of the things that comes with being an Airbnb host. So, if you have any annoyances like this, let me know what they are, so that way maybe I can expect them.